Good morning, Miss Emily. My name is Mary. I'm your aide today, and I'm here to stand pivot transfer you from the bed to the chair using the gait belt. I am going to sanitize my fingers, rub until they dry. I'll provide privacy. Miss Emily, I'm gonna go get my supplies. I'll be right back with you. Okay, I need the gait belt. I have my wheelchair right here. But before I do that, let me go ahead and lock the bed. Lock this side. I'll make sure Emily has her non-skid slippers. I am going to lower the bed. Well, before I lower the bed, let me have Emily sit up on the edge of the bed. Emily, I am going to swing your legs over, and I am going to help you sit up. All right. Okay, your feet are not touching the floor. I'm going to go ahead and lower the bed until your feet are touching the floor. Emily is a stand pivot transfer, so that means I'm going to bring the wheelchair close by her. I'll lock the wheelchair. And then I'm going to get the gait belt around Miss Emily. Get it through the teeth. I'll make sure the gait belt is tight enough, but not too tight. Okay, I'll check the tightness by using my 2 fingers to make sure it's not too tight. And now I am ready to start pivot Emily from the bed to the chair. Using my body mechanics, I'm going to have Emily hold on my shoulders. And I'm going to grab by the gait belt. On the count of 3, you're going to stand up, pivot, and sit in the chair. 1, 2, 3. Turn around, pivot, and boom. I'm going to go ahead and take off the gait belt. I will give Emily her call light. Here you go, call me if you need me. I'll go ahead and unlock Emily's wheelchair so that she can move wherever she needs to. Lastly, I'll open up the privacy curtain, and then I'll provide hand hygiene. End of the spiel.